MSM Skin Enhance Cream 2 ounces. MSM Skin Enhance Cream 2 ounces. Honey Guy Waterblocker Skin Cream Jar, 4 ounces. Waterblocker is a handmade, waterproof, natural beeswax skin cream for the whole body. It stops dry, cracked hands by protecting the natural oil in the skin from being removed by constant washing or by other antagonists such as paper, cardboard, and fabrics. Natural antibiotics in beeswax speed healing of rough, cracked skin, blisters and burns. Use on face as a moisturizer and to preserve the natural oil in your face. Long-lasting one application lasts most users about 8 hours a whole workday. It is safe for children use on diaper rash to protect and heal quickly and to prevent rash from reoccurring. Use as a safe, natural deodorant for underarm and feet. Bacteria that cause odor can't grow in beeswax. Natural antihistamine in beeswax also stops itch, burn and sting. Use on insect bites, poison ivy, rashes, burns, etc. Use on skin conditions that exhibit itch, burn or sting or are dry and scaly or red. Use on pets' hot spots to stop itching and scratching and promote rapid healing. No scent is added to Waterblocker, so its scent is that of natural beeswax. Waterblocker is non-greasy after it is absorbed and long-lasting since it won't wash off like most other creams. Broadmoor Labs Incorporated. NatraGest Cream Frangrance Free 2. Broadmoor NatraGest Cream Frangrance Free 2 ounces. My Pink Wink Cream for darker areas. My Pink Wink Cream was originally formulated for anal bleaching and was found to work on other areas of the body, as well as sunspots and darker colored scars. The formula was designed without the use of hydroquinone or kojic acid. Unlike most other skin fading products, My Pink Wink Cream uses peptides. Peptides are proteins that communicate with the skin cells. Peptides are becoming popular in anti-aging skincare to reduce wrinkles. My Pink Wink Cream uses peptides that specifically reduce melanin in the skin cells. Peptides are gentle and effective, have found that the people who see the quickest results use the product daily on hairless, clean skin. The cream is not diluted with fillers, so only a small amount is needed, and that is why even a half ounce of cream should last 30-60 days when using on the anal region. If you are using the cream on multiple areas, recommend the 2.0 ounce jar or 1 jar per area. Murray's Beeswax Cream, 6 ounce. Murray's uses the finest imported beeswax to help lock your style in place. The ultra-rich formula will add shine, reduce itching and fight frizz. The cream will wash out easily with no build-up and help extend the life of your style.